Yo car fanatics, welcome back to Best Cars. Today, we're tackling 5 upgrades that'll transform your ride from rusted to righteous. Think blinding shine, roadside rescue, DIY diagnostics, and constant vigilance. Buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. Number 1. Ceramic Coating Mania. Slickness with science. Ceramic coatings are all the rage, and for good reason. I tested 3 top contenders. CarPro Quartz UK 3.0. This one went on smooth and easy, creating a hydrophobic mirror finish that laughed in the face of rain. It's super durable and lasts up to getting Q2 Mose Plus. It required a bit more elbow grease, but its UV protection against paint fade was like sunscreen for your car. It's also scratch resistant, keeping your paint looking fresh for years to come. Adams Graphene Ceramic Coating. This one is super slick and offers impressive water BA. Number 2. Jumpstart Hero. Never fear the flat battery. I compared 2 pieces of batteries. A NOCO Boost Plus GB40. This one boasted super fast cranking power, reviving my engine like a jolt of lightning. It's compact and lightweight, with a bright LED flashlight for emergencies. Anchor Powerhouse 100T. This one surprised me with its built-in power bank, capable of charging phones, laptops, and even small appliances. It's a versatile lifesaver for road trips and camping adventures. Number 3. Master of the Polish. From Dusty Dud to Dazzling Dream. I put 2 kits to the test. Porter Cable 742 for XP Rotary Polisher Kit. This one's a powerhouse, but it requires some practice to master. It'll remove even deep scratches and swirls, revealing a mirror-like finish. Talk's Random Orbital Polisher Kit. This one's super beginner friendly, with an orbital action that's less likely to damage paint. It's perfect for getting that swirl-free shine without breaking the sweat. Number 4. OBD-II Code Whisperer. Diagnose like a doctor. I reviewed to readers. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD-II Scanner. This one's simple and straightforward, perfect for quick checkups. It connects to your phone and provides easy to understand code explanations. ANC LFX200 OBD-II Scanner. This one offers real-time data monitoring and advanced code analysis, turning you into a mechanic mastermind. It can even reset check engine lights and perform actuation tests for various systems. Number 5. The All-Seeing Eye. Dashcam Justice for all. I compared 2 high-end models. Vantrue N43 channel dashcam. This one captures crystal clear video, even in low light. It has a front, rear, and interior camera, providing a complete view of your surroundings. Garmin Dashcam 67W. This one has built-in parking mode, catching any fender benders even while you're parked. It also features voice control and GPS for additional safety features. And there you have it, folks, the essential car upgrades for 2024. Shine, survive, save, and see. See, these aren't just purchases, they're investments in your car's health, beauty, and safety. Ready to make your ride the talk of the town. Start with these upgrades and watch the magic happen. Check out